Today we will talk about mnemonics on sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So for the organ on which it acts, we have the mnemonic bhav, sad, GIP, sale. So for B we have bronchial muscles, H we have heart, A we have arteries, U we have urinary bladder. For S we have sweat glands, A we have erector pili, I we have iris muscle, D we have digestive system or tract, G we have gastric gland, next I we have intestinal gland. For P here we have pancreas, and for S of sale we have salivary gland. Now talking about the effect of sympathetic and parasympathetic system upon these organs, we have for bronchial muscles, sympathetic system widens them, increase pulmonary space, and parasympathetic system narrows it. For heart, sympathetic system increases force of contraction and rate of cardiac cycle, and parasympathetic system decreases the force and rate. For arteries, sympathetic system constricts them, increasing blood pressure, and parasympathetic system dilates them, hence decrease blood pressure. Urinary systems relax the muscles, and parasympathetic system contracts these muscles. For sweat glands, sympathetic system stimulate the secretion, and parasympathetic system has no effect. Erector pili, sympathetic system causes erection of erector pili, and parasympathetic system has no effect on them. Now next up is iris muscle. Sympathetic system dilates the iris, and parasympathetic system constrict the iris. Digestive system, sympathetic system decreases peristalsis of digestive tract, and parasympathetic system increases peristalsis. On gastric gland, sympathetic system has decreasing secretion effect, and parasympathetic system increases secretion. Intestinal gland, sympathetic system decreases the secretion, and parasympathetic system increases the secretion. For pancreas it is also same, sympathetic system decreases the secretion and parasympathetic system increases the secretion. For salivary gland it is also same, sympathetic system decreases the secretion and parasympathetic system increases the secretion. Here you can memorize it easily, the effects of sympathetic and parasympathetic system by this mnemonic. Thank you, hope you like it. Hit like, share and subscribe.